Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some changes I've done to Mesh Morpher, especially to the match by UV functionality in create from mesh first and create from mesh, right? So what I want to show you is that now we can have not only a different order in the input files, but now we can also have different counts. So let's see how it works. We're gonna export this to an OBJ, and we are not gonna select welded mesh because we want to have UVs intact, and we're gonna just click OK and save. And now we can jump to Blender. Just delete everything here. Import OBJ. And now we can select our OBJ file and select X as forward and Y as up axis. After we imported everything, let's move a little bit here. Okay. We can delete these sections. And just for the sake of it, we're gonna keep head and teeth, right? So now we can go to sculpt mode and select grab, and we're gonna just do some quick sculpting here so we can test it in Mesh Morpher, right? Okay. I think this is it. Okay, and now let's export this to OBJ. We go to wavefront, test. We select the X forward axis and the Y up axis, same as on import, right? And make sure you have UV coordinates as well. And export. Now let's get back to Mesh Morpher. And if we go to create from mesh first and we select the exported mesh from Mesh Morpher and the one exported from Blender, you're gonna see we get here the message base mesh has different vertex count than morph mesh. But if we enable match by UVs, the message is gone and we can pick a name, right? So we're gonna name it test1 just for the sake of it, and click on create. Okay, and now that we created our morph target, let's test it and see if it works correctly. As you can see, we have it correctly working, right? So it's interesting that now we can have different vertex count and order. I think this was a big setback when we were sculpting outside the engine. And we can also test how it works with creating from mesh assets, right? So let me see, let me quickly import another MetaHuman. Okay. And we can go to create from mesh, select the Torre. Let's select the Torre name and match. Don't forget to select match by UVs, right? Let's test it. And this is it, a Torre created from another mesh by UV matching. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy these changes. I think these changes will really improve our quality of life, and yeah, stay around. Bye.